Hello there guys, welcome to another super exciting e-bike repairs video. I've got a 36 volt 6.6 amp hour battery from a Elife Folding bike here. It doesn't do anything, it is dead. Plug in a charger, nothing happens. Probably a bit low on the old voltage. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips head screws on these. The warranty doesn't matter because I am the warranty. Six of those, they look like that. There's another one, isn't there? Yeah! Is that one? There's another one. It feels like there's another one. There's no other one. Okay. Goodbye. Little BMS down here. Some nice unbranded cells. 2 amp hour cells each. They are 18650 something like this. Ooh! That doesn't look good, does it? Ooh, there. Is that the problem? I feel like this is going to be the problem. Oh yeah, he's gone all rusty. Oh, it's all rusty, it's all leaky. I bet that one's dead. Oh, I bet that one's dead. No, oh, jeez. Oh yeah, they've all leaked. That's not gone well, has it? Wonder if it got very, very, very hot. Oh, look at that one. That's not good. Oh well, let's see how dead the cells are, because why not? So we can get the BMS off. God. At least it was well sucked down. Unplug the JST there, and it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 balance wires, which is good. That's how many I wanted. Let me plug you into my tester and we'll see what the cells have. I'm going to guess not a lot. Oh, loads of them are okay, apart from 2 groups. Group number 6 and group number 4. So if I swing you down, have a little looky look. You can see group number 6 showing nothing, group number 10 is missing. All the others are fully charged. I'm assuming that's probably, yep, group number 6. That one is group number 10. Because the big red wire is the last one. And, yep. There's your problem. Thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever fun, exciting bike things you want to do. And have a nice day. Bye bye.